Ha! Hello.
Hello.
Listen, you were fast this time.
Of course, as promised, within one working day.
Super. Got everything?
Yeah, we got everything.
Everything included.
Turn signal, ceiling ring, everything ready for installation.
Great. Then we put that in the vehicle.
Okay.
So, all right. Good. We're going to meet our mechanic Tom, in the Tasmanian Tiger garage, and then we will install the parts.
Yes, wonderful.
Thanks to you.
Then this one looks good again.
Top. See you.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Have a good trip. Bye.
So, let's see what Mechanic Tom says about the car. Mechanic Tom, I have brought work for you.
Really?
Hey, good to see you.
Hello, Ramin.
There he is, the wolf.
Yeah? Looks beautiful.
Before we get to the wolf and the Project Wolf, introduce yourself briefly.
Hello. I'm Mechanic Tom. I actually build up and organize the booths at the international fairs for Tasmanian Tiger since 2001. During the last year, this was unfortunately not possible for a well-known reason. Now I will devote myself to the Project Wolf.
Mechanic Tom, I was at Mercedes-Mayr yesterday and ordered the spare parts. I could pick them up already today. Top service.
Ah, okay. That was quick.
Yep. Turn signal, front right, left. I remember that. The gasket from the oil pan below.
Okay.
A few other little things, but as a mechanic, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think? How long will you need?
Well, I'll take a look at the vehicle now, and we can phone again in 3 months.
3 months?
No, just kidding.
Mechanic Tom, come on, speed up.
Yes. We're going to examine everything, and then we'll fix one thing after another, and then it will be good.
Mechanic Tom, the wolf wants to hit the slopes, okay? Thanks to you. Bye.
Bye, Ramin. Yeah, good morning. This is your mechanic, Mechanic Tom. And today I would say let's start to work on the wolf a little bit. First, of course, we need some music. And then we start with something easy, with the turn signals. A convertible is really cool, isn't it? Am I on TV now or what? Looks cool, yeah.
Yeah, hello. Ramin here from Tasmanian Tiger. Today I'm at the head office in Dasing. That's near Augsburg. And we're going in the warehouse together and see if we can pimp the Wolf with a few articles from the TT TacVec series that we can place in the car. I'll lead the way. Let's go. By the way, at this point, I want to thank you a lot for the numerous comments and for the voting of the logo. Also, a very big thank you to Sascha Luftlandewolf. Yes, the Wolf really has 92 horsepower, and not only 84 horsepower as we assumed before. The Wolf has never been pimped so quickly in terms of horsepower. Well, let's have a look here. We are in the holy halls of Tasmanian Tiger, in the warehouse. Very briefly at this point, we've been asked whether you can buy the t-shirt somewhere that I wore last time. That's unfortunately not possible anymore, but you can buy the t-shirt I'm wearing now. And also the vest I was wearing last time. Just contact your Tasmanian Tiger dealer. So, what do we want to have for the Wolf? I would say we equip it definitely with our TacVec container. There it is. We place it either in front of the seat or next to the seat. We'll look at that when we're with Mechanic Tom. Very important also, we should have some kind of first aid equipment. There I have in mind the headrest IFAC, which we find back here in the aisle. Okay, there is a container back there which has just arrived. New goods are unloaded there. New arrivals from Vietnam. The Tasmanian Tiger shelves are now filled, and there will be a second container arriving this afternoon. Presumably, there are between 2 and 8 containers every week. Aisle P. This is right. IFAC headrest also in olive, up there. This one directly. Well, then I would suggest let's meet Mechanic Tom. See what the Wolf is doing, and see you there. So we're back here at the Tasmanian Tiger Fair Storage, or rather in the garage. Let's see what Mechanic Tom has done so far. Hello, Mechanic Tom.
Hello, Ramin.
Ah, that looks great. Let's see, what have you done already?
Yes, so technically it looks quite good. We are almost finished. We've fixed the radiator, which was somehow only half screwed tight. Then we put new clamps at the intake tract. I don't know if there should be any. Normally they should be there, I assume. After that, we narrowed our shovel a bit so that it fits perfectly in there and doesn't touch anything. In the back, there is a new cap for the brake fluid because it was broken. At the bottom, we fixed the underride guard, which was also only screwed on halfway. Then the front axle was lubricated and the oil leakage at the oil pan was restored. Now it is tight again and doesn't drip anymore. Yeah, actually everything looks quite good now, technically.
That sounds great.
Yes?
Look, I have brought a few things from the TacVec series for the interior.
Super.
Hey, what do we have there? Did you put new tires on it?
Yes, they are new.
Cool.
They were 7 or 8 years old. Time for new ones.
Okay.
Now they last a few years.
Great.
Concerning the interior, so that's where we repaired the odometer, a known problem with the Wolf, but not a big one. It could be easily fixed. Then we replaced the air nozzles on the side and the hoses, so now they clean the windows properly again when they mist up. Then there are a few new plastic trims, a new tunnel cover, and new shift bags. Actually, technically, everything is, again, quite good.
Mechanic Tom, let's see where we can place the TacVec articles. I would suggest we open the side cover. Yes?
Yes.
You do here, then I go to the other side. Okay. I've got the headrest IFAC here. And I would suggest to attach it on the headrest of the passenger seat for quick access from the driver's position. The right place, yes. You can pull the kit out from the left and from the right. Fits. Then I have the container here. And I would also like to have that within quick reach from the driver's position. So I would suggest that we place it on the passenger side sideways, so we have direct access as a passenger and as a driver. Mechanic Tom, I have brought these two TacVec items from the TT warehouse. What we are still missing is the sunshade cover and the modular front seat panel. Do you have those two things here?
Yeah, I saw something lying around earlier.
Yes, perfect. Come on then, let's attach the modular front seat panel at the back of the passenger seat so that we have direct access as a driver and also from the side in the seating position.
Und auch hier von der Seite aus in der Sitzposition einen direkten Zugriff haben. So, okay?
Good, we'll do that later.
Und das Sunshade Cover.
And the sunshade cover, we'll attach that here later.
Das bringen wir nach
Again, at the driver's position for quick access.
Fahrerposition für einen schnellen Zugriff.
There it is, perfect. Here we
Auf
go.
geht's.